afternoon. Today is Friday. Thank you guys with me outside. Let's go. Good morning, guys. Naisipan ko lang mag-vlog kasi it's something na gusto ko talagang gawin, guys. Since wala ako ngayong pinagkakaabalahan, we're just gonna make use of the time that we have. Alam ko talaga, it is an answered prayer din for me to have this time. Meron akong mga bagay na pinag-pray ko na sana magawa ko to ng fully and consistently. And I'm taking that today. And I'm just grateful to God for giving me this time to vlog right now. Today is Friday and my husband went to work already. It's currently 8:57 and magna-9 na. So ngayon pa tayo magsa-start talaga ng start ng day natin. Breakfast, guys, we have scrambled eggs and peanut butter sourdough. Sourdough with peanut butter. And coffee. Thank you, Jesus, for this food, Lord.
물때를 자주 확인해.
진짜 애니 온 거야?
이 정도는 이것도 사실 너무 또 먹고 싶으면 또 오면 되니까.
해봐. 아, 저렇게 따는구나 오늘.
사실 닥터
40. Hindi ba 50?
Hindi. 30 or 40 yun.
Monty dyan na sa bahay.
Yan nga ang bala ko. Sabi ko, gusto ko yung nandirito talaga sa may...
Monty, are you gonna invite your friends?
Ma, bigyan mo nga siya water, ma. Tsaka may friends na si Monty eh. May kalaro na siya dyan sa may kabilang bahay.
Oh? Maglinis tayo, guys. Because it's been a couple hours. Good afternoon. It's currently 12:46 ng hapon, ng tanghali. And mag-lunch tayo. Kakain lang ako ng leftover namin nung isang araw na chicken. Naligo lang ako after ko maglinis. Gutom na ako. Kain muna tayo, guys. Hindi na ako nagluto for lunch dahil meron naman tayong leftover. Yun na muna ang kainin natin. Ito ay chicken breast na may spring onion. Yun lang. Simple. Very simple. It's healthy. And madali siyang lutuin. And masarap siya.
Master study, and it was this old school carpet that had the lines in the carpet. Ezekiel, the lines were.
So guys, nagulat ako, biglang may nag-doorbell. And dumating na pala itong drawers or closet. Anong tawag dyan? Yung cabinet na binili namin sa Neatery. In-order namin na siya last week. And hindi siya available sa store. Kaya in-order na lang namin for delivery. It was supposed to be delivered Monday. Pero dahil nagkaroon ng bagyo, hindi siya na-deliver. It is now Friday. So, it's nice that we have something to build again. I'm gonna wait for my husband to come kasi mabigat siya, guys.
The one that's out of the rain.
It is currently 3:59 ng hapon. Alas 4 na. Prepare na ako ng dinner namin. Ano lang yun, air-fried chicken with fried rice. Gusto mo yun? Yakult na tayo, guys. For digestion. For gut health. Let's go. So, it's currently 5 p.m. 5:15 to be exact. And lalabas ako para mag-walking. Meron kasing malapit na beach dito, which is Araha Beach. And I've been there a couple times already kasi nga pag naboboard ako, doon ako pupunta. Maraming pwedeng matignan doon. So, I'll take you guys with me outside. Let's go. guys. So my husband will meet me at 7-Eleven. Water? So, tapos na ako maglakad and my husband my husband is here.
Got some Aquaphor, notebook, and my quals, my crimp and stamp, because I'm that dude.
What is that? To make your hand strong?
No. It has a number in here. The numbers are here at my command that I crimp on. I crimp these.
A Psalm of David. How wonderful and pleasant it is when brothers live together in harmony. We did a lot of stuff.
So guys, when I left, I just brought this 500 yen in case I want to buy something to drink. And they have a vending machine right here. My husband wants what? $150. Tanashimi. Look.
2 point. Come on, dude.
We're home, guys. And my husband broke the Tupperware. We literally just got this yesterday from Donkey. Your fan, malab, maybe it will blow pieces of glass. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again on the next one.